Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something different, but it's kind of the same. All right, so today we are outside of the office. As you can tell, we are out here on the Turnagain Arm just outside of Anchorage, Alaska. We're going to be doing a couple of mic tests on some of the earbuds that I unboxed. I know for some people, mic quality is just as important as sound quality because we use these earbuds every day to make and answer calls. So the mic has to be on point as well, right? All right, guys. So first up, we've got the Monster Clarity 8.0 True Wireless Earbuds. This is how they look. And now we'll be switching over to the mic of the Monster Clarity. All right, guys. Here is the sound coming from the Monster Clarity. Once again, welcome. I'm John at Tekmogo. Doing a quick mic check with Monster Clarity 8.0 True Wireless Earbuds. Got some water down here. Actually, here we go. Check that out. Sometimes you can see some wildlife up in there. Again, this is the sound coming from the Monster Clarity 8.0 True Wireless Earbuds. Hopefully it sounds good, man. We've got some highway noise in the background. We've got some water. Fortunately, no wind today. Usually it's windy out. So hopefully that sound is good. And let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of the sound. All right, guys. Next up, I've got the Tozo T9 True Wireless Earbuds. This is how they look. And in 1, 2, 3. All right, this is the sound coming from the Tozo T9 True Wireless Earbuds. Man, I forgot there's so many mosquitoes out here. It's been a while since I've come outside. And again, microphone check 1, 2. Microphone check 1, 2. This is the sound coming from the Tozo T9 True Wireless Earbuds. All right, guys, next up is the Earfun Free Pro 2 True Wireless Earbuds. Here is how they look in ear. And once again, I'm out here just outside of Anchorage, Alaska on the Turnagain Arm. And too many bugs out here. All right, in 1, 2, 3. This is the sound coming from the mics of the Earfun Free Pro 2. Doing a microphone check. Microphone check 1, 2. Microphone check 1, 2. Once again, I'm John at Tekmogo. Hopefully the sound is clear. And here we go. We've got some wind. We've got some highway noise. And we're out here, as you can see. Beautiful spot. Just outside Anchorage, Alaska. Cloudy, but still awesome. All right, guys. That is it. This is the Earfun Free Pro 2. Hopefully they sound good. All right. Switching back to the lav mic. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it. There's too many bugs out here. I forgot my spray. So we got 3 mics or 3 earbuds with a mic check, and hopefully they sound good. All right, that's going to be it for this video. If you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.